We are live, November 3rd, 2025. Let's get into the charts. Pre-market high 26254.25. Midnight open 26084. Pre-market low 26017. This does set us up for a elevated position. We restarted our count again. We overtraded on Friday, which was another break in our process. So if anything, my process is setting up for me to keep on breaking it all the time, which is not great. I don't want to let that be a new habit. So if anything, this might be a one and done right here. Let's check. Let's check to see if it's gonna pop up. And we're off. See if it takes it out. We're going to be out. We're trying to be in this as long as we can. Yeah, we'll keep trimming. I don't like the way this is looking. Don't like the way this is looking. Okay, we have two more contracts. Just in case if it just wants to run, so we'll still be in a piece of this position. Again, do not like how this is looking. Maybe about 2% we can cut it, but yeah, let's cut it. Let's cut it. Something looks too fishy. Something looks too fishy. Is this an exhaustion gap? Let's check. Okay. I mean, it's just earnings. Hello. This might be setting up for a downslide. We're just gonna risk about $100. Nope, not enough. MP looks like it wants to vomit down as well. Right. Cell F. What's the midpoint? The 130 might be looking good. Yep. Yep. Yeah, 130, and then we'll see if we can get it to the downside. Welcome. Yes, perfect. What? BYND? Oh, never mind. I thought it was like at 80 cents. Never mind. This is right. This is right. Tesla. So I saw something about a short squeeze for Tesla. 130. Let's see if it can do it. This could be a floor break for Oklo, but it's not one of the weaker stocks, so that's what's holding me back at the moment. Let's see. I want to see the losers. KMB. This is earnings. It is not earnings, but it's gap down. Oh, this looks like it really wants to get bought up. KM. Let's see. Okay, yes, perfect. This is exactly what I'm looking for. And we're gonna expect a rejection. Nasdaq is weak. Yep, Nasdaq is very weak. See if we can watch the battle between buyers and sellers right here. Right, it looks like a short candidate as well. Can't get over 2. Oh, nice, 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 nice. This is a long. That's a long while. The QQQs are weak. Okay, what does it want to do? 15-minute orb time. This is long. If I want to go long, I would. This is the stop loss right here. I like the 50% retracement into the lows for orbs. That's just what I like to trade, so I'm gonna just not do that. Saying no to some of the ideas. No pullback. Let's see how many. Just 60. Yeah, it's relatively weaker. Short it here. I do not like that. Do not like that at all. BYND is getting wrecked. First retest. 21 moving average. Let's see. Oh. Straight up and straight down. Is that the move for the rollover? I'd like to see a lower high for a minute. Not just a straight up, straight down. Because then I don't. Just kinda might provoke me. Oh, nice. Nice bounce. Let's see. Is red bouncing? Red's my first one. This is way too weak for me to want to consider it. Red, it's on like the bounce category. Oh. That rollover again with a lower high. I'm not going to catch the bottoms. That's what the mistake I made last time. If Reddit does not make a high, does not make another higher high right here, we are gonna short it. So let's see how far up does it want to go. Yep, this is the turn. I don't want to be in front of it. QQQ is still weak. Unless it shows us otherwise. I have no interest in. I'm trying to. Okay. Yep. Even distribution buyers, sellers, maybe even a little bit of buying. Yeah. Yeah. Once I saw those thick green bars, that's how I know. Yep. Still thick green bars. That should be punching it up. Okay. There's some selling. Here we go. Still a lot of green bars. Still a lot of green bars. There are two things wrong with my idea right now that I want to short Aklo after 10 a.m. while QQQ is bouncing. It is a trade idea for me though. This is where now there's a even distribution buyers and sellers. Light selling. Oh, here's some strong buying again. 211. Still think it can go up a little bit more. Sitting on my hands, sitting on my hands. The financials are getting wrecked. So my XLF, JPM. JPM was at kind of 310 before, of course 312 at the open. No, couldn't have done it that way. Just checking to see if Reddit's making a lower high. If for the last 10 minutes it has been going sideways. Don't need to put on a position. Just not, yeah, right, it's sideways. Oklo is sideways. Just waiting for a direction. Yeah, this is what selling looks like. Turn on buyers. Oh. If anything, SanDisk is what's following the market. Here I am kind of getting pushed around sideways with Reddit and Oklo, and you have SanDisk just, okay, don't mind me, just keep on going. It has moved $7 since I last saw it, so at $2 here, I mean at 200, it has moved to 193. Yeah, my eyes should have been on SanDisk, not yep, and AMD, not things that are just not moving. Yeah, so even AMD has moved $2. How about PLTR? Good. Yep, and you have Tesla rocketing. Guys, I'm gonna be done for today. I just don't see any plays, and right now I feel, how do I feel? I feel pretty neutral. Do I feel FOMO? No, nothing's setting up. So unfortunately, the stocks that I had in mind that were most interesting, where I was thinking there was going to be a violent momentum move to the up or downside, ended up chopping sideways. You can see here, Oklo chop sideways. Yep, and then you can see here, really just kind of continuing and not. Maybe this is the lower high. Maybe I was expecting something else. And my expectation caused me to not put on a trade there. Oh well. So yeah, so that's gonna be it for me, guys. Just gonna jot down my notes here. Yep. I'm gonna be done for the day, guys. This isn't the rollover. I thought it would be a little bit higher. Fine, yeah, you could, but oh well. I would rather trade something else. This one has not been moving. SanDisk is where I should have my eyes. Oh man, just down, down, down. There's not one green candle. This is a textbook. Textbook. Oh man. This is a textbook. Follow the QQQ directions. SanDisk. Alright guys, done for today. One and done. I was trying to be interested. There was a lot of good ideas. I kind of missed this break retest. Yeah, I was distracted. Damn it. Yep, this rollover without so much of a hiccup. Yep, QQQ is still pretty weak. You should go short if you're still trading. But yeah, guys, that'll be it for me today on this Monday morning. Hope you guys are trading well. Stay smart, trade safe.